Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are prepping the umami garden for planting corn and possibly some watermelon. Let's get to it. First thing I'm gonna have to do is I gotta get this tarp out of here. This tarp has probably been on this garden since fall, so it's been on there for a long time. I'm really anticipating what the soil is going to look like underneath this tarp. This is the first time I've tarped it for quite this long, but it being over the winter, it doesn't have that heat of summer to help the tarp. So I think that a longer time period would do well. So I'm anticipating it's going to look really nice underneath that tarp. So after I get the tarp off, I'm gonna assess the area, check out my spacing, kind of figure out my plan from there. I'm planning on doing 6 double rows of corn in 2 different varieties. So we're gonna show you how I do that and how I can plant 2 different varieties and not have them cross with each other. And so we'll go over all that. Now, before I get all hot and heavy into the garden today, I got to address this shirt that I got on right here. It's for all my Marines out there. Y'all know what it's about. The good folks over at Grunt Style. Let's see if I can get that up in the screen right there. The good folks over at Grunt Style, they accepted me as an affiliate with them, and they have given me a discount code of 20% off a single purchase. So anyone who wants to purchase anything from Grunt Style, they got great graphic tees. Got the American flag right there, moving forward, you know what I mean. Hats, this will defend, you know what I'm saying? Let me see that. Yeah, buddy, check that out. Now, they got more than just graphic tees. Like I said, they got hats, they got accessories, they have hoodies. Oh my goodness, they got some great hoodies. They fit well, they feel good. Down below, I'm gonna put a whole kind of disclaimer about the discount code down below. Be sure to go down there and check it, because it's I don't want you to go and think that you're gonna get a discount and then you don't get a discount and then you're upset. So check that out below. And also my discount code, I'm gonna flash up here on the screen. It'll be below with the link to Grunt Style as well. Yeah, I'm proud to be affiliated with them. Y'all know me. I'm all about American companies. I'm all about pride in my country that I served for 20 plus years. And man, I'm so excited about being affiliated with Grunt Style. Sorry I went a little long-winded here, but hey, I had to speak on them because, like I said, I think they stand for what I stand for, and I really appreciate them partnering with me. So let's get to it. All right, well, this is what it looks like underneath the tarp. These big stalks right here are part of the cover crop that I had in here, and I'm not getting any of this stuff up. Anything y'all see down here on the ground is going to be left there. The important thing that you don't see here is any weeds. There are no weeds in this. See that? And this is good. This is good soil right here. Look at that. Good googly moogly. Man, I like the texture of it. I like the moisture holding ability of it. Man, organic matter in it. This is the good stuff right here. So so this was the first garden on my homestead, and so this garden is 3 years old. So I've been working on this soil. I've been working on this soil for 3 years. Let me get started with laying out some rows. I'm not doing anything like, you know, specific and like to the T and all that stuff. I'm just gonna say I'm gonna put a row right here. I'm gonna put a row probably right on top of this old row, and then another row like right in here. This is gonna be the middle, and then I'll do 3 rows over here as well. And so that'll be my 6 double rows. And yeah, I think we're gonna have something good. I'll probably start here in the middle and work my way to the outside. That way I don't run out of space in the middle. So I will do the 2 middle rows first, probably right in that area with a walkway right here. And I'm gonna come back and put mulch in all the walkways.
Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watch from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my opponent. Adversity, doubt, stress, could care less, cause how we handle those like an S on our chest. Super proud of how we held it down on the way up. Can't wait for our day to ball, this is a layup. Nobody ever said this would be easy, but trust when I say that you got it. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promised land. Somebody loves you, please don't forget such. Take your time, no need to feel rushed. We gon' shine somehow one day. Word to O'Shea, today's been a good day. Don't let one bad apple spoil the tree. The fruits of our labor seem ripe, can't you see? A little insight so they'll never dim your light. Been wrong for too long, this here feels so right. Leave your fears in the rear view, right now on a mission. Trying to stay the course on this road to redemption. Giving up seems tempting, but no need, cause I got you and you got me. A little UNITY will get us by. Through the storm and the rain, I'll be by your side. Look alive, the best has yet to come. Just some words of wisdom, plenty more. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promise, yeah. And it may seem like things ain't working out, but I know we gon' find a way without a doubt. Just hold on a little longer, you gon' see this through. I've been there, certain things always remain true. Remain true. No matter what you're going
All right, well, it's getting there. I got my rows laid out for the corn. All I got to do left on this end is I'm going to amend the soil. I'm going to go over that in a second. And I got to mulch in between these rows right here. And that will be it for the corn patch. I probably won't plant until maybe April 15th or so, probably about the middle of the month. I like the soil temp to get up pretty high, so yeah, I'll probably wait until then. But it ain't got to be perfect, guys. You know, I didn't measure the beds out. I don't know how long they are. I don't know how wide they are, but they're wide enough that I can put 2 rows. I can put 2 rows of corn down through there with a drip line right through the middle, and that's what I'm gonna do. Over here on this side, I got most of the most of the landscape fabric put down, and I ran out of those little staples that you put in the ground, so I got to get some more of those. But these holes right here is where I'm gonna plant my melons at, in those holes. So those holes are let me see, 1, 2, 3, about 3 foot apart. So I'm gonna plant melons all down through here. I'm gonna plant them over there too, same distance apart. And I'm gonna plant them, well, you can't see that one, I kind of covered it up, but I'm gonna plant them there all the way down as well. So I'm gonna have 3 rows. I'm gonna have watermelons and cantaloupes. And maybe, no, I think that's it. I think that's all I'm gonna put right here. Watermelons and cantaloupe. But man, this is a day's work. I'm glad I had some overcast. That sun's trying to pop out. But let me go get some mulch and start mulching over here. And then we'll go over the fertilization plan for the corn. All right, there she goes. It ain't perfect, but it's in there. I gotta clean up some of the beds and whatnot, you know, but I ain't too worried about that. You know, the little edges on them. As long as I can plant 2 rows of corn down through there, that's all I care about. I got it all mulched in. I had to make it thin in some spots because that's all I had got on the back of the trailer. And I wasn't about to shovel no more today. I knocked the plug out of it though, I'm gonna tell you that. I definitely got my PhD in shoveling today. So this is part 1, and then in part 2, I will run the drip irrigation. I'm probably gonna do that the same day that I plant. And let me get you turned around here real quick. So I'm probably gonna do that the same day that I plant. So I'm gonna run drip irrigation. I'm gonna amend the soil. Watch that video, okay? So that video is probably gonna come out in 2 weeks, okay? I'm gonna go over my whole fertilization process in that video, okay? But in a nutshell, at planting, I'm gonna put down a balanced fertilizer. I'm using the Haas Complete Organic. You can use any other organic that's like a 5-4-3 or a 5-3-4 or something, you know, something that's relatively balanced. You can use a synthetic, a 10-10-10, a 13-13-13 or something like that if you want to. But I put down something balanced at planting, okay? And then once the plant gets up to about 1 foot tall, I side dress it with straight nitrogen. And so in the next video, I'm going to show you the nitrogen that I use. It's Chilean nitrate. I'll show it to you in the next video. And then once the plant gets up to about knee high, I fertilize it again with Chilean nitrate. There's other factors involved in it that I'm going to get into in the next video, as far as, you know, just making sure that you're looking at the overall appearance of the plant. But without giving it all away, I'm gonna pack all that into the next video. I'm gonna amend the soil underneath these weed barrier right here. I'm gonna amend the soil under it so that I can plant into it, probably maybe in that video as well. I don't know. I may stuff it in that vehicle. Yeah, I'm tired, man. I'm tired. Woo, man. It's been a long day. My shadow was getting long until the sun went behind the cloud. But hey, that's all I got for you today. I am tired. Got a lot done today. I'd say we're probably 80, 75% done. You know, so I am happy with that. And only thing I got left to do today, me and Asa got to go on our walk. He's been sitting over there just looking at me all nice and calm like and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and take him on a walk and close out the day. But anyway, don't forget, check out Grunt Style. Okay, I'm gonna put the link below. I'm gonna put the discount code below. All right. Well, that's all I got for you guys. It's been a heck of a day. Old man still got it, I guess, you know, but I say old man, but you know, I looked at my demographics the other day and like the age range of the people who watch my videos is 45 to 65. And like, I'm 46. So I'm the young guy in the group here, so. But anyway, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everybody watching. So yeah, do all the YouTube stuff. Like, subscribe to my channel. Share my videos if you would, please. I'm getting close to 7,000 subscribers. I'm 25 away. Let's see if we can hit that before the end of the month. And if you've never subscribed to my channel before and you're watching this video and you're here at this point, look, this was a 3 battery camera, 3 battery day. This was a 2 memory card day, you know, so I'm telling you, I worked for this video. So if you're gonna subscribe to any video, subscribe to this one. And plus, you're gonna wanna subscribe to it so you can catch part 2 when I go over how to grow corn like a pro. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and if you're gonna ask, why is he on a chain? Please watch my other videos where I talk about it. I'm building a fence for him, okay?